What a cuss.
Is that everyone?
No.
Oh.
In cucks we trust.
I think that's everyone.
I'm not Jackbox. It's not up to me.
But yes.
Or am I?
Shut up, Kim.
Wow!
Sorry to interrupt your cryosleep, but I thought it worth mentioning that I, your digital officer during emergencies, or Dottie, have detected an alien biorhythm on this ship. And just as I suspected, the aliens uploaded a virus which is slowly deleting my program. I'm available for guidance if you require.
Yes, do tutorials.
I'm now initiating security protocol Tango
Don't push the
Tango
button
Cash,
unless you
which
know.
is a series of tests
have
designed
a
to
huge
evaluate your
suspicion.
humanity and reveal any aliens hiding amongst you.
Yeah, because if you get it wrong, you lose.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr.
I have
Sad.
determined that 2 of you are secretly aliens. Please look at your device and confirm your identity. Your device can tell you if you're a human or an alien, but not the identities of your fellow players. Unfortunately, aliens will know who their compatriots are, so you'll be at a bit of a disadvantage, humans.
I'm covering myself.
By my calculations, you will have 18 minutes before I cease to be. So I'd appreciate it if you could figure out who the aliens are and then push
So-
that button.
Advice from veteran player is don't push the button
be our
unless
first
you
captain.
are sure. Don't be trigger happy.
I have repurposed the ship's quarters
only
into
get
unique
one
testing
shot.
areas. You can be impressed now. Choose an available room and your desired participants.
Who's choosing?
Oh, who's rushing them?
Welcome to the Opinion Hole, a place to hang out and let your opinions fly. Each participant will be presented with a bold statement. You will then provide your level of agreement or disagreement. Aliens, however, will be given a completely different statement. When the crew sees the full opinion, aliens may have to justify an outlandish position.
Okay.
Let's see what these players have to say. If they're an alien, their answer might be pretty out there. And here's what humans saw. Kanye West is the best musician of the last 100 years. Now let's see the results. Do you think these answers seem suspicious? Look for someone answering out of character, or just start yelling at each other. Talk to each other and find the truth. But remember, 2 among you are aliens and will be lying. Okay, next captain, you're in charge. Okay, let's get a move on. Pick another room and test group. There's less than 17 minutes. Welcome to the deliberation deck. Humans will be given a difficult decision and must choose which answer seems appropriate to them. Aliens will see no dilemma and must choose their answers blindly. When the crew sees the full statement, Aliens may have to justify their random selection or face suspicion. Let's see what these players choose. If they're an alien, I bet it's peculiar. Human, Scott. You can make one part of your body invincible. You pick your. And discuss. Now you have to decide who's an alien, or just makes terrible life
Oh
decisions.
my god, wow. An invincible arm is pretty unbeatable. Alright, fine, I don't care. My
Yeah.
face isn't that pretty to begin with, so.
Yeah, but if you get shot in the arm, you'll be alright if you get shot in the face.
Hey everyone, if the players
Just
seem to be
saying.
taking way too long
Just
to
saying,
move on,
face is
you
more
can tap the
important
hurry
than
up
arm.
button to speed up the time.
Sounds like an alien thing to say.
Alright.
Uh-oh, it seems I've underestimated the alien virus's capabilities. Aliens now
Maybe
have
we
the
need
ability
names
to
first.
hack the prompts.
Maybe we need names.
When looking at their probe
Only Mute
screens,
Scythe
an
followed the
alien
name
can select
system. The
any
rest of
human
us are trolls.
and secretly give them the alien prompt. To make things worse, aliens can help other aliens by secretly giving them a human prompt. I hope you got all of that because there's no way I'm repeating it. Okay, next captain, you're in charge.
This is like that game you play with TV.
Yeah, it is a bit like that, isn't it?
Welcome to the drawing quarters. You'll be given a prompt to draw. Draw the best you can because the alien virus will give our intruders a similar yet different prompt. When the drawings are revealed, cast suspicion on any you find to be a bit off. As time goes on, I'll do my best to send the aliens harder prompts. You're welcome.
Do you not press the button or both the buttons?
The hurry up button just makes them hurry it up.
Or the other one? 'Cause the button-
Don't push that big red button.
And here's what humans saw.
Really don't push.
Draw a bottle of shampoo. Do any of these answers seem suspicious? Keep in mind some
What's
of
that
you
last
have
one?
prompt, or it could just be a terrible artist.
It says
And
Pantene
don't forget about those
Perfume.
alien hacks. A smart alien
hell's
can
that?
make someone look suspicious by
Brand of
flipping their
shampoo.
Oh,
prompts.
alright.
Well, actually, that top one, I never seen the shampoo look like that. It looks like so. Oh, wait, yes, I have. My shampoo actually looks like that.
I've never seen it look like that. Lol jokes.
Oh, actually, my conditioner looks like
Hey
that,
everyone,
not my
if the player
shampoo.
seems to be taking way too long to move on, you can tap the hurry up button to speed up the timer. Look at your device. You can now push the button and take us to the extraction room. But I would recommend you only do this once you're confident in your suspicions. Okay, next captain, you're in charge.
I'm suspicious of... I have no idea who that is.
Welcome to the writing pod. You will be given a fill-in-the-blank prompt. Answer honestly, because it will be scrutinized. The alien virus will allow the intruders to get something similar, but not quite right. When the correct prompt is revealed, it will be up to you to determine if any seem odd. As time winds down, I'll do my best to send the aliens some real stinkers. It's the least I can do.
Mute is taking a long time with this question. Suspicious.
Oh my
And the human prompt was... My favorite Disney character is... What do we think?
Oh,
Look for
man.
any that
Never
choose to
trust
belong
someone who
quite
says
right.
Belle.
And don't that's suspicious.
Hey, Jiffy, that's my favorite Disney princess. Everybody knows that. These are really hard to actually work.
How can you slag off?
Yeah, this is hard.
This is really hard. Anyway, fair enough.
The bioscanner is now online. If the team you send there passes the test, you'll be able to analyze any player and find out if they're an alien. Okay, next captain, you're in charge. This is the bioscanner. Unfortunately, the virus has got this place pretty screwed up. Participants will see a set of alien glyphs on their device. The captain will only see 3 glyphs and must describe them out loud. When 3 glyphs are tapped, the captain can log in. If the glyphs match, the test will pass. The captain will then be able to learn one player's secret identity. But watch out, aliens may fail by tapping the wrong glyph on purpose.
Okay.
Captain, I'm sending you the correct glyphs now.
Okay, so we've got like this weird frog alien looking thing with like kind of tentacle eye things. It's like antenna eyes. We've got kind of what looks like a dog face without the ears. And we've got like, it looks like a man with a really long right arm.
Oh wait, if they get it right, that means they're a human. Then, if they get it wrong. I'm confused. I feel like Jack is an alien, because why would we choose this rando that we don't know? It can't be us.
Huh?
I said, I think Daz is an alien because why would he? Doesn't this room do something good for like to discover the aliens? So why would he choose mute when we can't even hear him or her?
You don't need to hear them though.
They just reveal,
They just need
The
to
test
hear.
has failed.
and now we can't do it.
See, I genuinely.
Okay, that was suspicious.
Nah.
Maybe test humans next time.
They were. That means that they. Does it mean that if they get it right, they're not an alien or they are? I don't get it. I don't know.
We're on the clock here, people, so let's keep it going.
Mute said that they're having trouble hearing it because of the
Yeah,
like
see?
echo.
That was odd.
Next captain, you're on the clock.
Why are you on?
Fun fact, I found a big rat in the opinion hall. I see you're drawn to this room.
But this is fun.
What they draw
Yeah, this
could
is
be
pretty
quite
hard.
revealing.
Oh,
Welcome to the extraction room. I
Horny
bypassed
cuck
some
pushed the
subroutines
button.
to stop the timer. What's that? Sorry, I thought someone actually thanked me. Since you
Now you have to pick someone.
oh, you don't have to. You don't have to.
Oh, you don't have
No,
to.
you just hurry it.
Confirmed. Since this is our first time here, you have 2 minutes to decide.
Oh my god. Horny cuck is just like straight up sacrificing alien. Oh my god.
Now the non-isolated members shall vote. If you all vote yes, and these
Oh my
players
God,
are
we did this
aliens,
again.
then the humans and moi are safe. But if one of them is a human, then it's curtains for us all.
Okay.
Time to vote.
Cassie,
The
wow.
vote has to be unanimous. If anyone votes no, we'll have to go back to the main cabin.
No regrets. Hasta la vista. Ciao.
The vote
You
has
got
to be
everyone for
Wow,
The
trust
crew member
cucks.
who pushed the button can no longer push it.
That's it. Trust Cucks is an alien.
Trust cucks and trust no one.
All you can do is keep testing until you can all agree.
Man, this would be
Okay,
easier if we had
Captain, you're in
names.
charge.
It would.
Maybe we should just do it. Oh, I am just help. It's annoying, I got to skip that one.
Another deliberation on the way. Keep an eye out for questionable positions.
I can't believe I got put in that chamber. Who the hell?
Blame, who was it? Trust cucks?
Here's the prompt humans should have received. All crime is legal for 1 day as you approach a red traffic light. You and go.
I don't understand what an alien is being asked.
I think the ones that are saying continue.
What? No, all crime is legal, so you would continue.
If you want to die, you continue.
But what? Like that doesn't mean that you can still run a red light just because crime's chill.
There seems to be taking way too long.
Why are you doing it to slow down? I don't want to die.
Speed up the timer. We're on the clock here, people, so let's keep it going.
An alien.
Oh, you guys. GG guys, you lose. Alien's gonna eat
There's still
you.
6 minutes.
Aliens.
I don't
Next captain,
think
please.
that's an alien.
What's Dad's
It
fault?
seems one player has barely been tested.
So who do we
Is
think's
that
the
a good
alien? The
idea?
ones that
What is happening?
say continue.
Trust no one.
Yeah, what should I do?
Uh,
No, I don't trust Kim either. What the?
why? Yeah, nobody freaking trusts me. I'm the most trustworthy.
I don't know.
And that deliberation
Don't put
button,
me in there.
that
You
is
don't
on.
need to.
Why?
Because I'm a human.
Oh, that's what an alien would say. I mean,
Wait, so should we tell each other? Yeah.
Back to the writing pod. Glad you like it.
We only have 5 minutes
Let's
left
see
to
if
figure
there's
out
any
who the
weird
last,
responses.
who the aliens are. I trust you, Kayla.
Wow, Kim, that makes me suspicious. Nobody trusts me. I think Kim and Jazz are the aliens.
I don't think so.
Here is the
Who
human
do you
one.
guys think?
I think it's one of these
The next
cucks.
TV theme song
Keep speaking.
I think it's
is
the
Do Any of
cucks.
These Seem Stupid?
Trying to deflect alien from her.
Damn it.
TV theme song.
what?
The 18. Who's Rock Rocket?
Hey man, who's Spock Rocket?
It's definitely Spock Rocket. What a vague answer.
The 18. Dun, 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 dun. What?
We're on the clock here,
100%
people,
Spock
so let's
Rocket.
keep going.
Press the button.
Fuck off. No one's pressing the button.
No,
Daniel, why would you say that? That's which one are you?
It's Spock Rocket and
He's horny
alien.
cuck. He is horny cuck. And he is going
I'm
down.
in the room
He
with
is-
Spock Rocket
He
and
is
alien,
going down.
and they are both conspiring right now.
He is going down.
Daniel
Kim
is
is being
definitely-
super fishy.
No. Daniel's definitely being. Oh,
Daniel
he
just doesn't
gets
like
to
good
choose
TV
it.
shows and follows the Game of Thrones crowd.
That's it.
Oh, he's gonna describe them wrong because he's the alien. It's gonna be wrong because Daniel's gonna describe it wrong.
That's what an alien would say.
You also know the bottom scanner again, huh? I don't blame you. It's a valuable.
Alright,
tool.
there is no
Please
communication
don't
error
forget
here,
this
Daniel.
time. Captain, I'm sending you the correct glyphs now.
Yeah, Captain?
So we've got. So the first one is 2 parallel lines running left to right from top to bottom,
Yep, that's what.
with a horizontal line on the top left and the bottom right, with a dot on the top right. The next one is like it's a vertical line with, it's like a backwards F with an N and
Yep.
a dot on top.
Yep.
And then the next one, it looks like a tree separated in the middle with a dot at the bottom.
Okay. I've done it. See?
Analysis is online.
I mean, they're both human.
Captain, choose any other player and you will learn their true identity. You may share this information, if you want, or keep it a secret.
You will learn that.
How cute!
Oh.
Who pushed the button?
This time.
Did someone?
Did they push the button so we wouldn't use the scanner?
1 minute, so act quickly.
Oh! I beg your pardon, mute site. I beg your pardon. It sounds like someone wants to dodge the bullet. It sounds like someone wants to dodge the bullet, mute site. How
The
dare
ball has
you?
failed.
So it's mute site.
I don't think we should together.
Because you just lost your
Bias.
bio thing.
Aliens are pushing the button, but you only get one push each.
It was mute site. He's to push the button.
Button pushes. The aliens will take over the ship. Next, Captain. Go,
Yeah,
go,
but
go.
if we don't figure out who it is,
It's
then
mute side. Someone pressed the button on mute side. He tried to cock block me.
Yeah, but we don't know who the other one is.
yeah, we don't. Mm.
Don't hover too
They
deep.
need
Time
you
is running
guys.
out.
I'm putting them all in.
I'm so confused right now. Oh, 1 minute, guys. Come on.
We're gonna lose. The aliens are gonna win because we don't know who they are.
I think it's mute site and trust cucks.
I'm telling you, I'm not an alien.
Are you trust cucks?
An attractive
I'm
story
alien, but I'm
No,
not an
okay,
alien.
sorry.
Less talking and more button pushing,
It's
please.
definitely
It's mute site.
mute side and shy cock.
I told you!
Someone push the button.
I
on
have
them.
done it.
Okay, it's
We're
time
putting him
to
down.
the gorilla.
But maybe some. Oh, but a glitch might have been like someone might hack this shit.
You only have
Okay.
30 seconds.
No, sorry. No. No. Stop. Stop.
Time's running out, Captain. Okay, time to vote.
Gotta do it.
You're going down mute site and shy cuck.
The vote passed.
Oh god. Oh god, we're wrong.
I think it's so.
Yes! Oh!
Goodbye, shy cock.
It was me.
It was
Yeah,
us.
I knew it.
It was.
I knew it.
Wow, Brandon.
Who chooses arm and not face?
Yeah, I forgot about that. Who chooses arm? Damn it! Oh, and we agreed with him. We're stupid.
We need to try that one.
Who was Shy Cuck? Who was Shy Cuck that got sacrificed? Oh, Jazz.